Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Kyle Walker, your red beard bald guy. And campers, let's talk about something. Let's talk about that annoying shake, rattle, and roll your trailer does every time somebody sneezes. You know what I'm talking about. So here's the problem. Your tires are just chilling with way too much space between them and no stacking firewood between them. That is not the solution. Ask me how I know. Check out this shake and shimmy. Look at how much that moves, and I'm just barely pushing on it. Here is the X-Chock Wheel Stabilizer by BL, or as I call it, the relationship stabilizer. The X-Chock slides right between your tires and expands to lock them in place. Tighter than dad on thermostat duty in December. Just crank it with the included handle, and you're ready to rock. Boom, no more rocking when the dog jumps on the bed or when the kids decide to do backflips off the dinette. Rock solid, baby. No more wiggling. Check that thing out. Hey, and a pro tip, use one on each side. It's like parking your camper in cement without the commitment. I promise you that. So if your rig's been twerking at the campsite, it's time to bring in the X-Chock and make it behave. So get yourself a pair. I'll drop the link somewhere around here. And remember, if it wobbles, it ain't Redbeard approved. Let's go ahead and fix that.